everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Divyashree. In this video I explained how you can host your website by using GitHub IO method. This video is requested by one of my followers in LinkedIn. So if you guys want me to make a video about some content, you can message me on LinkedIn. Sure, I will make the video on that content. In my last video I explained how you can create your portfolio website within 15 to 30 minutes. So if you have not yet created your portfolio website, I will share the link to the video in the description. You can go to the link and create your portfolio website. Okay, without a further ado, let me share my screen where I explained two methods. So one is by using Git commands and another one is directly pushing your code in the GitHub. So if you are not a computer science student background, you can directly go to the second method and you can follow the steps and you can host your website. So before that, if this video gets 50 like and 200 subscribers, then I will share a fellowship program for all the year students. You can be a first year or final year. You can do that fellowship program. So why are you waiting? Give a like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into the video. So the first method is we are going to use git bash to push our code into our Git repository. So for that we have to create a new repository. Click new in the repository tab. Give your whatever the name that you want to name your folder, name your repository. Then you can give the description. This is my portfolio. Then you can then click the public button here, then check add a readme file, then click create repository. Now your repository will be created with the name as portfolio and with the description. This is my portfolio page. The description will be set here also. This is my portfolio page. Now we are going to push our code to our repository. So for that, the first method we are going to use is git bash. So in order to get more about, in order to learn more into GitHub, you have to learn the basics of Git. So follow these 9 steps to push your code into GitHub repository. The first one is pwd. So this will shows you where the path your git bash is opened. Now we have to change the path to our folder name. So in my D drive I have to open this GUI document. So in change directory, give the folder path in D. So give your path where your folder is. Change. Now we have changed the directory. Then the third one is we are going to initialize the git in our local project. So git init. So this will initialize an empty git repository in this path. And the fourth one is git add space dot. This will add all the files in this empty git repository. All the files have been added. Let's clear the page. Okay. Now the fifth command is git status. This command will show you whatever the changes that we have done so far, whatever the files that we have added. Then the next command is git commit. We are going to give a message. So git commit /m is message to our committer. So the message is, this is my first commit to this project, right? So first commit, whatever the name, whatever the message that you have to give to your project, you can give. Now we have committed the message. Now the files have been added to our local project only. Now we have to add the files to our repository, right? Main repository, right? For that we have to copy this HTTPS path, right? We have to copy this path and we have to give here git remote add origin. In this origin we are going to push. So Control V paste icon will not be work. So just left click and give paste. Now we are going to add the path or add the origin. Now the origin have been added. For some users it will ask your GitHub username and password. You can give. Now the next last command is git push /u origin master. This is the last command. All the files will be pushed. It will take some time. It will load all the files to your repository. If it is 100%, that means all the files have been pushed to your original repository. Let's see. Yes, it's full. Now there is a compare and pull request, right? But it is but we pushed into our master branch. So just click master here. Now all the files have been pushed into our repository. We can change. We don't want to have this. No, so we can change. And give commit changes. Yes, now the readme file have been changed. Now we are going to host our website. So for that you have to go to the settings. Then go till down and in the GitHub pages, right? Check it out here, right? Go to check it out here and change it to master branch because our file is in the master branch. So now click save and choose a theme. Select theme if you select any of the theme, and if you go to this path, yes, your file has been hosted. Now you can share this path to your friends, or you can add this path to your resume. So that's all, we have hosted our website. Okay, if you don't want to use this git bash method, means I will give you a shortcut, but don't use it. Learn this method, learn git bash. It will be really useful. So when you are building a future project, it will be really helpful. So for those who are not from computer stream, so use this method. So I will show you, I will create another repository for you guys. If you are a computer science student or IT department student, so follow this git bash method. So for those people who don't want to use a git bash, let's create a repository for you. Let it be port. Click public and add your description. This is portfolio page, and click add a readme file, then click create repository. So here add file, right? Click upload files. Then we are going to just select all the files and we are going to drag and drop here. All the 73 files will be uploaded here. But don't use this method. I will recommend to download git bash in your laptop or computer, because git is the base for the GitHub. So this method is for who are new to this programming language, right? So after uploading the 73 files, go to down here. Yes, 71, 72, yes, the files have been uploaded. Now go to commit changes. It will take at least few minutes because 73 files have to upload, right? Now the files have been added. So for hosting this, go to settings, till go down and GitHub pages, right? Check it out here. Change this to main branch and click save. Choose a theme, just select a theme, commit changes. Now go back, you will see, refresh this page and your site is been published here. Yes, your site has been published. You can share this. So these are the two methods you can host your website. So that's all guys. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you.